Hello everybody, this is Richard Cespedes Mad Cat Sphere, and I'm here with another video to talk about how the stomach is involved with psychokinesis. Now, I've spoken about how the brain is involved, the limbic system, the parietal lobe, and the other parts of the brain, the posterior, and the other and the cerebral cortex and all that stuff. Other posts another channel, but I want to talk about how the stomach is involved. Now, the Chinese have already established this hundreds of years ago, talking about chi energy and how the battery's like the stomach's like a battery. But what I've done is I've done my own research and I've connected the dots and I've created a more cohesive explanation that allows it to kind of meld together better. And I haven't seen anything like this online of anyone really doing this kind of concisive, digging and connecting and making everything work. And I've already spoken about where the TK movement fusion occurs, about the brain and everything like that, my other posts in the video. But it is not only the brain alone that helps psychokinesis. You see, further reassurance of our confidence and intention comes from the stomach intestines. It's called the enteric nervous system. It's connected to the brain, everything like that, from the where you swallow food and everything like that, and to the stomach and right to the anus. That's where all the nerves are, and the neurons. Now, this helps with more emotional confidence and your intention to move an object with telekinesis. The more confidence you have means your intention is strengthened. This means more energy will grow and in turn gives you higher chance to manifest true telekinesis. The intestines are connected to the brain because the same neurological wiring extends to there, as I explained before, to the throat and everything. All the emotions and thoughts come with the help of the stomach. The stomach and the brain are basically one whole brain. So you're not just thinking with your brain, you're basically thinking, especially feeling, with your stomach. Your stomach is involved in every emotion and non-emotional event in your life. When you feel scared or excited, you may feel a sensation in your stomach. That is the stomach reacting to your brain's neurological information that it receives from the external reality. So your brain uses your stomach uses your brain's eyes to see and everything like that. Your stomach uses the eyes in your brain to see because it senses and it sees things and it reacts. It's almost separate, but at the same time it's not. So your stomach immediately receives this information. If you learn to harness these sensations and learn to recreate them for your benefit, you can create more chi energy, and more chi energy means a higher chance to move an object. I also think that the genitals and the heart play a role in assisting psychokinesis. Now, the microbes in the stomach, also play a role in chi energy production, creating more bioelectric energy, like the Chinese has said, through that digestion process, which in turns helps the stomach to become more balanced and is able to spread more positive sensations, again helping with confidence and intention in psychokinesis. Helping to having a proper diet can help with this bioelectric development. Eating foods with high probiotics and prebiotics will help with psychokinesis development and the well-being of stomach health, and make your microbes happy. Making your microbes happy means they digest healthy foods that benefit them, leading to more chi energy, bioelectric energy for you. I recommend drinking kombucha. Have you guys seen that? Kombucha is a real good probiotic drink. It doesn't involve dairy like the other things. It's more of like much more of a zesty type of like almost like a Coke or soda, but it doesn't have no of the other bad stuff in it. And it's found at Walmart. Eating live cultured yogurt and with from goat's milk, at least 70% pure chocolate. Pure dark chocolate, you just need to eat less than half a bar per week. Dark chocolate only has probiotics, but it has prebiotics to help maintain proper development of microbes in the stomach. And drink Ormus. Remember, the higher the purity, the better. To explain how psychokinesis works, I'm going to explain how psychokinesis works. Your internal bioelectric energy, chi energy, interacts with the natural electric energy outside, the space around you outside. Your bioelectric energy and the energy outside are manipulated by the mind. They are interwoven together and bends around an object almost like a hand to move it, burn it, freeze it, or electrify it, depending on what your intention is and how you project your intention, your imagination, in a gentle, subtle way to affect external objects. To continue forward, I think that the microbia in some way may affect may be affected during delta wave sleep. I've spoken about delta waves and how delta waves are essentially kind of helping with psychokinesis to manifest, because it's the dream world and fantasy world melding together. But I think that they affect the microbes too, which I've spoken about. And this plays a role in helping to connect with objects in psychokinesis when it is activated while we're awake. Now that's through meditation and relaxing and just bringing down your brain wave energy and your functions and everything, and just letting yourself focus, and your delta just kind of spurts up a little bit to interfere with, to break through the fabric of reality to affect the object. I think I think that the microbes may have a mind of their own, and if we communicate with them nicely, I would say that, they're almost like something between a dog and a child, like a puppy or like a 4 or 5 year old, something like that. But it's kind of like more intelligent because it's a part of you, and you communicate them through your emotions and thoughts and your imagination and intention. You can get help to strengthen your intention by growing confidence to connect with an object and move it. You must feel yourself more. Acknowledge your stomach, your small intestines. Now, chi is for the mind, and the mind is firmly connected to the body. All of this is from the research is from what I've done, and again, I haven't seen anything like this on the internet. So this is just something that I've kind of just wanted to make sure that you connect everything together, and to just make my own analysis. And I think that what I've come up with is something, a very concise explanation of how the stomach and brain and body is involved with psychokinesis that I haven't seen on the internet. And that's I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. I'm not gonna make it too long. Just wanted to share that, and just give you your thoughts and everything. And take care, everybody. This is Mad Cat Sphere. How the stomach is involved with psychokinesis. The Chinese thought of it before, but I'm just bringing it to you more deeper and to explain more, because most of this stuff is like I just kind of connected the dots myself. I read it, but I kind of came up with my own conclusions in between the statement that I made. But and I expressed it to you. And this is Rich Sismus, Mad Cat Sphere. Thank you guys for watching.